Hey, it's Mike. Just wanted to give you a quick review on the xpro 40cc. Had it for 6 months now. I haven't had too many issues with it. This is the bike here. You see if I can switch you around. This is the bike. I haven't really had too many issues with it. When we first got it, the chain kept on coming off, so the rear sprocket here was a little bent, so we just bent that back. Assembly was pretty easy. We did switch the front sprocket so you get a little more top speed. We put a 17 tooth on, which is pretty nice for my son. Other than that, we only run non-ethanol gas through this, so we get the true gas at the hardware store, and that seems to run pretty good on it. But yeah, he's loving it. Front fender broke off, so that did break, and it's kind of cheap plastic, but what can you expect for a $300 bike? Other than that, yeah, we're having fun riding it. He's riding it quite a bit. I'll put a video of him riding at the end of this video. All right, guys.
Today I'm going to be riding in the woods